I gave myself just 10 minutes to build a $1 million SaaS landing page from scratch. No developers, no designers, no copywriters. Just me, 2 tools, and of course some AI. Most founders take weeks, sometimes months, just to get a landing page live. And when they finally do, it's your standard landing page that every buyer is already used to seeing. So today, I'm showing you how to go from 0 to a fully built, conversion-optimized SaaS landing page in less than 10 minutes. And stick around, because I'll also show you how one embed code that you can add into the hero section can 2 to 3x the conversions of your landing page. Before we touch on any software, I want to show you the most underrated step in the entire process. This doc right here. This is what separates amateur landing pages from million-dollar ones. It's also what will make sure the AI tools we use to build our landing page give us exactly what we want and not some generic website. It's called the $1 million SaaS landing page strategy document, and I've linked the template for you in the pinned comment so you can follow along and use it yourself. This is where we define everything: who we're selling to, what pain we're solving, why we're different, what proof we've got, and how we'll convert traffic into pipeline. Because if you feed basic prompts into an AI tool, you'll get basic results. So I'm filling this doc out with my offer, audience, core benefits, brand voice, and even testimonials, all in one place. And when it's ready, we're downloading this thing as a PDF because that's what we're going to give our AI tool. Now that we've got our strategy clear, let's talk about how we make this site not just beautiful, but high converting. Now, here's the thing about building landing pages. Most teams already know the core best practices. You make the page easy to navigate, write a clear hero that explains the problem you solve, tie features back to real benefits, and layer in social proof with logos and testimonials. That is all standard. What is missing is a way for buyers to try the product before signing up. Today's buyers arrive on your site already informed, but still unsure if your tool will work for them. A free trial is often too big a leap, and if you do not offer one, they never see the real product at all. So on this page, we are adding something most SaaS sites do not have yet: a true try before you buy experience right in the hero. That is where Supademo comes in. It turns your product into an interactive, click-through demo that visitors can control without creating an account or talking to sales. Here's how easy it is to set up. First, I open the Chrome extension, then click through the main workflow of my product. And finally, Supademo auto-generates an interactive demo for me that I can go and edit at any time. From there, I can share it with customers. But most importantly, I can embed this on my website I will be building today by copying the embed code. The reason interactive demos are so powerful for the hero section of your SaaS landing page is because they instantly show your product in action without making the visitor scroll, click, or guess. When someone lands on your page, they don't want to read a wall of text or interpret a bunch of features. They want to feel how the product works. A Supademo in the hero section gives them that clarity within seconds, right when their interest is highest. And unlike static screenshots or videos that force passive viewing, interactive demos put the user in control. Visitors can click through the workflows, explore value paths, and understand the product's benefits by doing, not watching. If prospects aren't yet ready to book a call or don't have time to dig through docs, they can get an instant product experience through just a few clicks. This builds trust, reduces friction, and dramatically increases the likelihood they'll take action. But don't just take my word for it. Hundreds of B2B SaaS teams are already using Supademo to increase engagement, accelerate onboarding, and close more deals faster. The testimonials speak for themselves. All right, now it's time to generate the website. The tool we're using is Base44, an AI website builder that turns your strategy doc into a production-ready SaaS site in under 60 seconds. But here's the key part. You don't just start typing into it like ChatGPT. There's a very specific prompt I use, and it's already written out in the strategy doc. So here's what I do. I open Base44. I copy and paste the full prompt into the input field. I replace one part of it, the Supademo embed placeholder, with the actual embed code we just grabbed. Then I upload a PDF version of my completed strategy doc inside as well. That's it. Now we click run and let the AI cook. Within just a few minutes, Base 44 will have read our entire document and designed the exact landing page we want based on our requirements. Okay, now here's what Base 44 just built. Let's walk through it. Right at the top, in the Hero section, you'll see this interactive product demo powered by Supademo. Not a static image, not a play button on a video, but an actual click-through demo your visitor can control right there on the page. Here's how it works. Once your visitor lands on the page, they can click through this demo of your product and instantly understand how your solution works. No waiting, no calls, no confusion. This is what drives 2 to 3 times more demo requests and signups, because now people don't just read about your product, they actually experience it firsthand. And that's the game changer. It builds trust faster, it removes friction, and it moves people from maybe to I'm in before they even talk to sales. Then below that, you've got the rest of the site. Trusted by logos, feature breakdowns, benefit sections, customer testimonials, even some AI-generated product visualizations are all based on what we fed it in the strategy doc. Every part of this is built to convert, but it's that Supademo in the Hero section that sets the hook. If I need to change anything, I just hop into the Base 44 chat editor or tweak it live. But honestly, this thing is good to go. Now that we're happy with the design, let's make it live. From Base 44, I hit publish. They give you a hosted link instantly, or you can connect your custom domain and go live with just a few clicks. And just like that, we've gone from $0 to $1 million SaaS landing page, built and launched. You don't need a fancy dev team. You don't need a designer. And you don't need to spend $15,000 on a landing page that still doesn't convert. You just need a clear strategy, a high converting demo, and a tool like Base 44 to bring it to life. If you want to use the same strategy doc I used today, as well as the prompt, you can grab it from the pinned comment below this video. And if you want to add interactive demos to your landing page or your current website, you can get started with Supademo for free using the first link in the description. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and turn on the bell for more step-by-step breakdowns just like this. And if you want to learn more interactive product demos, check out the other videos on this channel. See you in the next one.